In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your microphone not picking up desktop audio in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, Windows 11 handles audio through the Core Audio subsystem, so if your microphone isn't picking up your desktop audio, it's actually a good sign. Windows is designed to keep these separate. But to leak your game or system audio into your mic stream, you need to enable a virtual bridge. So what you need to do is enable stereo mix, which is the native way. This is the hidden Windows feature that pipes your output directly into an input. So right click the speaker icon on your taskbar, which is at the bottom, and then go ahead and select sound settings. Once you're here, scroll down to more sound settings, which should be at the very bottom, and go ahead and click on it. Then once you're in the pop-up, go over to the recording tab. Right click on any empty space, and then all you want to do is show disabled devices. You want that to be enabled. And if stereo mix appears, right click it and then select enable. So I'm just going to go through mine right now. And we're just basically, all you got to do is look for stereo mix, which is right here. So right click, enable it, and then set it as your default device. Now your mic will hear whatever your speakers hear as well. And if that's what you want, that's how you do it. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.